Hi there, here we have the 2017 on a 67 plate Nissan Juke. This is the 1.6 TEKNA XTRONIC 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So starting off with the front of the vehicle, as you can see the front bumper nice and clean. There is no scratches, no scuffs. Moving on to the bonnet, once again in immaculate condition, so there is no dents, no chips, no scratches, so everything as it should be. Alloys, it does have the 17-inch alloys, and as you can see there yourself, very nice and clean, not been chipped. Just to confirm, it is a one owner from new with full Nissan service history. Rushmore's have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. Does have the rear camera, which I'll zoom in now and show you. So just there, that's the rear camera. So when the car is put in reverse, then the camera is activated and you'll be able to see the back on the screen inside the car. HPI clear, so all the vehicles that come in, Rushmore's do a full check over and a HPI clear as well, to make sure that the car's not been stolen in the past or broken into, or even with an accident or anything like that. So it is all clear. There is the Platinum RAC warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that's all included within the price of the car. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. This is something we highly recommend at Rushmore's. If you wanted the more options about the extended warranty, then no problem. Once you come down here or over the phone, then we'll give you more details. So I've stopped here, and as you can see there, that's the door handle. Or there is this button here, so this is keyless entry, so the key can be left in your pocket or in your bag, and it will allow you to access the car. Obviously, if the key is nowhere near the car, then obviously you can't access inside. So looking inside the car, as you can see, the dash is nice and clean. There is no marks, no tears, no scratches, and the steering wheel, as you can see there, nice and fresh. Full leather seats. They are also heated seats as well, which I'll show you now where the buttons are. So the buttons for the heated seats are just underneath the armrest, which is there. So you have the front driver seat and front passenger. So, and then obviously when you open that, there is a bit of storage for you to add on the armrest. Screen as well in great condition, there is no scratches, and then it does have the dual climate control and the aircon. So the rear windows, as you can see, they are tinted, gives it a nice finish. And then that's the door handle to go inside the back. They are also electric windows, so front and back, full electric. And as you can see there, the leather is in great condition. Car's been fully validated by us. And it does also have the ISOFIX, so a very good safety feature for the children. Right, let's have a look at the boot space on the Nissan Jukes. So obviously being the Juke, it does have a very nice and fair boot space, as you can see. And then once again, I'll show you where the camera is. So the camera, that's the camera just there underneath the Nissan sign, right next to the button where you open the boot. And as I say, it will be activated once the car is put in reverse. Once again, the door handles, as you can see there, it does give it a nice finish, a very nice finish actually, with the tinted windows, as you can see, as well as the back. So let's have a look at it once more. So as I mentioned earlier, the electric windows, the full leather seats, it is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. And as you can see for yourself, it is offered in excellent condition. Keyless entry once again for the driver side door as well. Right, now, so let's focus onto the driver's side door. So we have the front and back electric windows, the lock and unlock buttons. So once you're inside the vehicle, just down below here, as you can see, it does have the traction control, the door mirrors. They are folding in door mirrors, and you can adjust them with the button just here. So they are electrical adjustment as well. Multifunctional steering wheel, as you can see, with the cruise control. And then you do have it is Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone, play music, and phone calls as well. So if there's a phone call when you're driving the car, then you can pick up with pressing that button and decline it with the one underneath. So very nice and clean inside. And then let's have a look at the leather once more. As you can see, there is no tears on the leather, and they are heated seats as well. So just a recap before we finish off the video. As you saw there, the car is offered in excellent condition and won't disappoint on viewing. One owner from new with full Nissan service history. Rushmores have done a full service on the car, and a new 12 months MOT will also be done at point of sale. There is the Platinum RAC warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes with the car on purchase. If there is any questions on the car or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. Don't hesitate to give us a call, as we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching.